Welcome everybody to Digital Proximity with Nick. Today I'm going to talk about data analytics with the Python pandas library. So basically we're going to start by installing pandas. So we can do that. Here I'm using VS Studio Code. You can use CMD, you can use PowerShell, or any command line interface you have to install pandas. In order for you to install pandas, you already need Python to be installed on your machine. So I'm going to write a simple command, pip install pandas, to install pandas in my machine. I already have pandas here, so it's already giving me a warning, but I don't think it's going to affect my video. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So we are going to be analyzing a data set today, which is CSV in CSV format. We'll do Excel another time, or I'll show you an example of Excel. So our data set is simple smartwatch data gathered from exercise. It shows the duration, the pulse rate, average pulse rate, the maximum pulse rate, and the calorie burnage during the exercise. So as you can see, pandas is installing right here down at the terminal. We've installed it using pip. We already set up and ready to go, so we can come back to our simple Python code with pandas. It's just 3 lines. So first we are going to import pandas as PD. In Python we use acronyms to import our libraries. We use PD for pandas. If I was using NumPy, I would use NP. If I was using matplotlib, with PLT, with pyplot, I would use PLT. So we are going to use a data frame. A data frame is a 2-dimensional array, or should I say table, that stores data in rows and columns. So that's why we use data frames in pandas to analyze Excel and CSV files. So we're going to use pd .read CSV to read the contents of our dataset, dataset.csv, which contains our smartwatch data, and we're going to print it. So in order for me to run this code, I'm just going to run python read, the name of the file, csv.py. So it's going to display to us the data within our CSV. This is our data set already. So it's gonna be running, it's taking its time, but we have about 168 rows. So the results are right down here. We have around 168 rows. So in order for us to understand our data, pandas has a few methods that we can use. I can use a method called head to read the first 10 rows of my data set, right? So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to come back down and run python read underscore csv.py. So it's going to show me the first 10 rows within my data set. Hopefully our code is running well. So you can see when I use that, it's going to show me the first. So I could also see the last 10. I can run tail, so I can save that, and then I'm going to run python read underscore csv.py to get the last 10. So you can see it's displaying to us the last 10. I can also get information. So after using the info method, we can save that file. First save so that it can compile our newly saved code. So we have python read underscore csv.py. So it's going to give us the information about our dataset. The dataset is dataset.csv. Basic summary information. So here it's telling us we have 169 rows from 0 to 168. It shows us the number of columns we have. We have 4. It shows us we have duration. It shows us the integer type that it uses, integer 64. Calories, we have decimal places, so it has float 64. So those are the data types that we have. We have float and we have integers. The memory, the amount, the size of the data set is 5.4 kilobytes. Yeah, so basically that's what we get when we use the info method. There are other methods we could use. For example, in case we have duplicate values, I could run drop underscore duplicates, uh, and then in place is equal to true. So it's already auto typing. Yeah. So we're going to save this again, and then I'm going to run Python read underscore CSV, the name of my file, .py, to see. Basically, we're asking it to drop the duplicate files. No such file exists. Okay, it shows that we don't have any duplicate files, so we are going to check and see. After running this, after using this method, we're going to check and see. I'm going to run df duplicated. We can remove the argument within here. So I'm going to save that again, and then I'm going to run Python. I have a typo here. Python read underscore CSV dot py. So if we don't have any duplicate values, it should return to us something like none, right? Okay, 0, 1. Okay, so basically here it's giving us information. We don't have any duplicate values. That's why it's returning to us false. So those are the methods we have in Python. Yes, so this concludes our video on data analytics. That's the video introduction to data analytics with Python pandas. The next video I'm going to do is going to be on the pandas library with Excel files. We'll learn how to read Excel files using Python pandas. So stay tuned, follow, like, and subscribe. Digital Proximity is the page on TikTok and also on YouTube. Yeah, and for full-length videos, please follow our YouTube channel, like and subscribe. We have full-length YouTube videos, so feel free to like, follow, and subscribe. You can also find the code for this project on my GitHub, Nick Sakwa. So basically, this is my GitHub. I think you can see. Pandas, let's see. I have a number of projects that involve pandas. So you find it under Python with pandas for data analytics. Yeah, so that's the name of the GitHub repository. It has all the code that I've used in this tutorial. You can also follow me on Medium. I wrote an article about this, data analytics with Python pandas. I also did a previous video of data analytics with Python. It's more of infographics. It's posted on our TikTok handle. You can check it out. One of our first videos. So we're going to be doing a number of programming languages. We're going to be doing a number of videos. So feel free to follow, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys are going to join us on this journey. At Digital Proximity, we focus on bringing technology closer to the people. So definitely, I hope you guys are going to be with us to enjoy the ride. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for your support. Ciao.